Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to save videos from X, formerly Twitter, to your phone. So to do this you have just to go and open X. And by the way, you can download all the videos. You can only download the videos that the owners of them gave you the option to download them. For example, we will try with that video from Claude. So let's pause it. So to download the video, as you can see, there is a button or icon on the bottom right of the screen. It's like sharing icon. Click on it. And after that, you have just to swipe. And as you can see, there is here the download option for this video. So just click on it and wait for a few seconds for that video to be downloaded. And after that, you will find it on your phone and you can watch it anytime you want that. Just a small remark, that option is probably only available for premium users on X or Twitter. So if you can't find the download option on all the videos, and as you can see, the video is already downloaded. So if you can't find this option in all the videos, so probably this option is now for only premium users. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video, see you in the next.